Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy, no churn vanilla ice cream. It's so yum. It has only 4 ingredients and is quick and simple to put together. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this recipe a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. So the 4 ingredients that you'll need for this ice cream are eggs. I've already separated my egg. I've got the whites in this bowl over here. I popped the yolks over there. There's 4 eggs. They're nice and separated. I'm using fresh store eggs. This does have raw eggs in it, this recipe. If you don't like using your raw eggs, just have a look for another recipe because this one does have raw eggs. I'm quite happy using the store fresh eggs that we get here in Ireland in this recipe, but it is up to you. So yeah, we've got the 4 eggs. I'm using double cream, but you can use any cream you like. I just want it nice and luxurious. I've got vanilla over there for my vanilla flavor and sugar. I'm using sugar. You can use stevia if you want it to be sugar-free. You can use any sugar you like. So yeah, let's get on. I'm going to start by whisking up our egg whites till they're nice and light and fluffy. So I've got my electric whisk here. I'm going to now whisk the egg whites till they're lovely and whipped. Go, it's starting to look a bit meringue-like. Now I'm going to add in my sugar. I'm going for 1/3 cup. Oh, you can add 1/3, 1/2. It is up to you how sweet you want your ice cream to be. And we'll just whisk it in. There you go. When you've got beautiful meringue, that is perfect. And now we're going to see to our cream. Okay, I've got a second bowl out and I'm going to pour the cream in. You want a cup of cream, which is this whole little tub I've got over here. And I have washed and dried my beaters, and now we will whisk the cream until we've got thickened cream. There you go, beautiful whipped cream. That is perfect. And now we are going to fold everything one at a time into our egg whites. And now we'll just pour everything into our egg whites. So I've got the yolks going in, a teaspoon of vanilla for the lovely vanilla-y flavor. And we'll start working getting that all folded in. Okay, and finally add on the lovely whipped cream and give that a lovely gentle fold through. So you've still got light, airy ice cream. And you can give it a tiny taste at this stage and just be sure you're happy with the sweetness and with the vanilla flavor of it. You could also add in chocolate or coffee or some peppermint or orange. It is up to you. I'll rate all the ideas below, but this is just a lovely, easy, no churn vanilla ice cream. I feel it's all lovely and incorporated. And now I'm going to move it into the container for freezing. So I'm using a square container that I've just lined with baking paper so it's easy to get in and out, and it's just perfect. Any freeze-proof container is what you can use. So I'm going to pour the ice cream in. There you go. And now pop it into the freezer for a few hours to harden, and I will show you once it's ready. The vanilla ice cream has been in the freezer a few hours. It's hardened up nicely, and so now I'm going to take a scoop out of it. There you go. Perfect scoop of vanilla ice cream, and it just makes such a super easy, no churn dessert. And yeah, just remember, check down below for the link to the blog post for this really easy vanilla ice cream. Look at that beautiful, soft, lovely vanilla-y dessert. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.